On Apple iPhone, there's a feature called FaceTime. Through FaceTime, you can make video calls or audio calls with other Apple iPhone users. Anyway, in FaceTime, if you're on a video call and you want to mute it in the middle, you can do that easily. In this video, we'll show you how to mute any FaceTime video call on your Apple iPhone. For this, open the FaceTime app. After that, for example, I'm calling one contact. Now this person has answered the call. Afterwards, if you want to mute the call, here's what you need to do. You can see a button like this. Just tap on that button. Now it turns orange. When you tap it, it changes to red. That means the call is muted. After this, whatever I'm saying won't be heard by the other person, so you can talk to other people without this person hearing you, and the call stays connected. Anyway, after that, if you want to unmute, just tap the same button again. When you tap it, the call will be unmuted. After this, the person can hear what I'm saying again. So this is how you can easily mute any FaceTime video call on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.